Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the linear equations in one variable, which is chapter 2 in our 8th class. So before going to learn about this linear equation, just we recall some concepts which are studying in the previous class 7. So what is this 5x? 5x is a term in which 5 is a constant and x is a variable. The product of constant and variable is a term we already learned. Next, if we see 5x plus 3, what about this 5x plus 3? 5x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Sum of two terms. 5x is a term and 3 is also a term. The sum of two terms is algebraic expression. 5x is equal to 3. 5x is equal to 3. What about this? This is an algebraic equation. Algebraic equation. 5x is equal to 3. What is meant by the algebraic equation? Algebraic equation is the equality of the two algebraic expressions. Here this 5x is left side of the equality, so this is called LHS. This 3 is right side of the equality, so this is RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then the solution for that variable will come. Next, see here, linear equation in one variable. General form of the linear equation in one variable is, general form is ax plus b is equal to 0 or ax is equal to b, where a comma b are constants, x is a variable. So this is called the general form of the linear equation in one variable. This a and b are constants and x is a variable. We can express ax plus b equal to 0 or ax is equal to b. This is also called as a simple equation. Now we will see the solutions of these linear equations in one variable. And before going to do this is, I am writing some examples here. X is equal to 3. This is an example for linear equation in one variable. 2x square is equal to 3. This is not at all a linear equation. Why? Because the degree of this variable, that means the exponent of the variable x is here 2. So this is not a linear equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is an linear equation in one variable. But here 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Of course, it is a linear equation, but here two variables are exist, x and y. So as per our definition, we discussed here linear equation in one variable. This is not suitable. So one more example I am taking. 5x plus 3 is equal to 9. 5x cube plus 3 is equal to 9. This is a linear equation. Now this 5x cube plus 3 is equal to 9. This is not at all a linear equation. Why? Because the exponent of the variable x here is 3. That means the degree is 3. So it is not a linear equation. The linear equation degree must be 1. So this is not a linear equation. From this we can clearly identify which is a linear equation in one variable and which is not a linear equation. Now we will see the solutions for these linear equations. Students, we discussed linear equations in one variable. Now we are going to see the solutions of these simple equations, that is the linear equations in one variable. So here 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. Linear equation in one variable is given. Now we have to find the solution for this equation. So what we have to do is, first of all, I am writing 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. We have to transpose the variables to one side and constants to another side. So here I am transposing this 7 to this side and minus 6n to this side. So what happens? Minus 6n will become plus 6n if it comes this side. Plus 7 becomes minus 7 when it comes this side. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6n. 13 minus 7, 6 is equal to 6n. So here in the product 6 into n. So we have to divide both sides with 6. Divide both sides with 6. Then only we get the solution. 6 by 6 is equal to 6n by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja. So we get n is equal to 1 there. So n equal to 1 is the solution of this simple equation. Here one more problem. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. I am transposing this plus 5 by 2 to this side. So what happens? 8x is equal to 13 minus 5 by 2. Now I am writing this 13 as 13 by 1. The LCM of 1 comma 2 is 2. So 1 divides 2 2 times. 2 into 13, 26. Minus 2 divides 2 1 time. 1 into 5, 5. 26 minus 5, 21 by 2. Here on the left hand side it is 8x. 8x is equal to 21 by 2. So x is equal to 21 by 2 by 8. If it comes to this side, this comes under the denominator. So what is the value of x is equal to 21 by 2 8 ja, this 2 8 ja, 16. So x is equal to 21 by 16 is the solution of this linear equation. Now see here, 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 of x minus 2. 3x plus 4, 5 of x minus 2. 5 into x, that means 5 into x plus 5 into minus 2, minus 10. So 3x plus 4, 5 into x, 5x minus 10. See here, I am transposing this plus 4 to this side and I am transposing the 5x to this side, left hand side. So 5x to this side. 3x minus 5x plus 4 is equal to minus 10. So 3x minus 5x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to minus 10. Now I am transposing this plus 4 to this side, right hand side. What happens? Minus 10 minus 4. Minus 10 minus 4, that becomes minus 14. So here on the left hand side, what remains? Minus 2x. So I am dividing both sides with minus 2, which is in the product of the variable x. Divide both sides with minus 2. So minus 2x by minus 2 is equal to minus 14 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 7. So x is equal to 7 by 1, nothing but 7. So the solution for this simple equation is x is equal to 7. Now let us see one more problem. 15 of x minus 1 plus 4 of x plus 3 is equal to 2 of 7 plus x. So here 15 of, that means we have to multiply 15 with the bracket x minus 1. 15 into x, 15x, 15 into minus 1, minus 15, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 3, 12. Now I am multiplying here with 2, 2 into 7, 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. So what are the terms having the variable x here? 15x, 4x. That becomes 19x. Minus 15 plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 14 plus 2x. Both sides the expressions 19x minus 3, 14 plus 2x. Now I am transposing this 2x to this side. What happens? 19x minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 14. 19x minus 2x, 17x minus 3 is equal to 14. Now I am transposing this minus 3 to this side. So here on the left hand side 17x is equal to 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 17x is equal to 17. Now divide both sides with 17. So 17x by 17 is equal to 17 by 17. 17 ones are 17 ones are. So 1 into x. 17 ones are 17 1 by 1. So here we get the value of x is equal to 1. So this is the solution of this simple equation. In the next video, we will see the applications of these linear equations in one variable.